We all want to have great summer barbecues and enjoy time with the whole family, but let's not forget about some foods that are summer hazards for our pets. Here's a few important tips to avoid a trip to the emergency room. The most common and sometimes life-threatening summer food hazard for dogs is the corn cob. When people are done eating at cookouts and barbecues, they aren't always careful about putting these remnants into a secured garbage can. Instead, many dogs find this a tasty treat. However, it is one of the most common reasons for intestinal obstruction and is not always easy to see on an X-ray if a patient comes in ill. In many cases, emergency surgery is required to remove the corn cob and save the dog's life. Other life-threatening hazards can be found when dogs investigate the garbage cans. Besides the corn cobs, we often see dogs stealing steak and rib bones after family members are done eating, or even skewers from shish kebabs. If these are ingested, they can splinter and fracture, placing the dog at risk of a perforation in the gastrointestinal tract. Anything fried or fatty can also be a hazard if a dog eats this after a cookout. While some dogs are more sensitive than others, fatty foods can place your dog at risk of development of pancreatitis, a potentially life-threatening inflammation of the digestive organ in the body. Dogs can develop fever, severe vomiting and diarrhea, and lack of appetite. Some can even require hospitalization. Keep in mind that the area around the grill can also contain hazards. Just like with humans, undercooked meat can cause significant foodborne illness in dogs when ingested. Pet parents should use caution when leaving a grill or a counter unattended to avoid dogs from consuming raw chicken or beef. These meats harbor bacteria like E. coli and Campylobacter, which cause severe gastrointestinal disease. Finally, don't forget to be careful when serving fruit bowls or salads. Grapes, whether served frozen as a treat or part of a side dish, can cause irreversible kidney failure in some dogs after ingestion. If your dog eats 1 or 100 grapes, it's always important to see your veterinarian and blood work will be checked. Unfortunately, we still don't know why some dogs can eat bowls of grapes and be fine, and other dogs eat 1 grape and can have kidney disease. Nonetheless, we always err on the side of caution and recommend seeking veterinary help. BISSELL supports many aspects of pet parents' lives, from helpful products that clean up life's messes to its work with BISSELL Pet Foundation, a nonprofit committed to finding loving homes for every pet. Together, they're saving lives of thousands of animals across the country.